Welcome! In front of me I have Redmi Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. If you want to change the straps on your watch, first you need to remove the old ones. And to do it, you need to pick up your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that next to each strap we have this button. And basically what we need to do is to press on this button, and once you press on it, you should be able to pull out the strap of your watch. Like this. It's quite simple. You press the button, and you pull, and this strap will pop off. And here we have our straps and our watch. And once you get new straps and you want to put them on, you simply grab your watch, grab your strap. You take this metal part of the strap and put it into a hole on your watch right here. And once you put it in and push it in a little, it should click in, and once it does, it will hold. Quite simple system. One of my favorites, to be honest, because it makes changing the strap basically no hassle at all. Okay, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.